Welcome to another short video from the team at Your Place, Your Space. In this particular video, we'd like to show you how, using interactive digital maps and together with the community, we're promoting places. In this case, it's a city and it's Birmingham. Viewable on a large screen, on a mobile and on a tablet at birminghamgems.com, we've built and continue to maintain, with the help of our community, a magnificent showcase of Birmingham and its many gems, to be found both in the city and out in the neighbourhoods. This includes its canals and waterways, its historic buildings, public art, its modern architecture, parks and open spaces, its public squares, and through a dedicated platform, the city's developments. In all, over 20 passions, all on the one platform. Within just a few months of going live with Birmingham Gems, our interactive map of the city has been viewed over 1 million times. With major events planned, visits to the city are set to increase dramatically. So this map is an excellent way of helping both visitors and residents plan their time in Birmingham. To give you just a taste of how this platform can help promote a place and how the user can build maps to suit their interests, let's select one of the passions. Let's take a look at public art in and around the city. We could just as easily have selected or added passions of history, theatres, centres of art, or any of the growing mix of passions created and available as layers. Just see how the map builds depending on the selection made. But for now, let's just take a look at public art. Birmingham's full of great public art to go and experience. This map will help you plan your trip, and for those unable to get out and about, show them and tell them what is available. Using the map or the scrollable list, let's take a look at one of our Birmingham Gems, a great example of public art and very much an attraction. It's the River and Youth, fondly known locally as the floozy in the jacuzzi. Here it is, together with a map showing you where in Birmingham the floozy can be found. Now select our link to the feature, and here's even more detail, including useful links, a gallery of photos, posts from our community, and other suggestions of places you may want to visit. Had you selected features on the main menu, you could then have entered the word floozy in the open search, and it would have come up with all the features where you can find more. The floozy's in Victoria Square, and there's a great additional feature that has shown up from the search. It's Birmingham's great public squares. Our community have even created a trail that can be enjoyed that takes in all the magnificent squares. You can find out more about the trails and tours created by community in another video. So that's how it looks and operates on a PC or tablet. Let's now show you how it looks and operates on the go on a mobile. Here is the map as viewed on a small mobile screen. In this case, imagine we are on a visit to Birmingham, or we are a resident exploring the city. We find ourselves in Victoria Square, and having agreed that the platform can display our location on the map, we can immediately see what is close by. From here, we want to explore the city's culture. So we first select the passion of history and heritage. Here's our list of places of historical interest which are also pinned. Let's add to this public art across the city. Here's public art listed and also added to history and heritage as pinned locations on our map. Now that our map is created, we can do any number of things. We can look at each pinned location in turn, open it up as a feature, and decide whether to visit. If due to whatever reason we are unable to visit in person, we can even take a digital tour of the city, which could be done on a mobile, on a tablet, or on a PC. Created and available at birminghamgems.com and also birminghamtrails.com are trails and maps of places of specific interest. These have all been created with the help of community. Just look at how many have already been created, covering public squares, parks, canals, and even places associated with famous people such as Tolkien. Let's look at a trail of historic buildings. We can now read up on the places covered by the trail, or we can go straight to the mapped trail itself. Select Start Trail and we are taken to our first historic building. From here, our map takes us to each location we have selected and pinned. So that's a look at how Your Place, Your Space has created a digital space that is effectively engaging people and involving community in promoting their place. In this case, it's a city, but it could just as easily have been a building, a park, or a neighbourhood. Interactive maps are an excellent way of engaging people in a place. Well, that's a very quick look at the use of interactive maps for promoting your place. We hope this has been useful and insightful. The team are here to answer any questions, and we'd love to show you more and give you a full tour of our platform and the extensive suite of engagement tools we provide. Simply connect with us and let's arrange a suitable time.